How to fix WhatsApp notification delay on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp notification delay on Android phone. First, just go to settings and now go to battery here and disable power saving mode. You will find it like that. Disable it and then go to apps and then apps again, and here you need to find all your installed apps and then select WhatsApp and now click notifications and now go to call wait just this one here, maybe you'll find it like that. Just enable it, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back and go to storage, clear cache, and then click for stop. Now just close all the applications in the background. Click this one here and close everything and restart your phone and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.